Okay, this video is to help you how to find some of the basic information in any page of Gemara. This is not the actual page that we're studying in class now, but it all is structured basically the same way. In the top, we have the name of the Mesechet. The Mesechet is the volume of the Talmud. This one happens to be Brachot. Next to it, we have the number of the chapter, Perek. It happens to be Perek Rishon, the first Perek. This Perek is called Me'ematai, and it gets the name from the first word of the Mishnah, which starts here. And then this is the page number. Sometimes the page number is here, sometimes it's on this side, depending on whether it's the first side or the second side of the page, but the large letter shows you the page number, not in numbers, but in letters. The next thing that is important to know is that this is the beginning of the Perek. It starts with the word Me'ematai, and every Perek begins with a Mishnah. So this here is a Mishnah, and this is where the Mishnah ends. This is the Gimel Mem slash, indicating that this is now the Gemara speaking. So if I were to ask you in this particular page, which is the first page, the first word of the Mishnah, you would tell me Me'ematai. And you know that because this is the beginning of the text. So every chapter begins with Mishnah. And if I ask you what is the last word of the Mishnah, you would tell me that it's Aveira, because that's the word that appears just before the Gimel Mem. And if I were to ask you what is the first word of the Gemara, you would tell me the word is Tana, because that's right after the Gimel Mem. Okay, so that's just the basic information of any page of Gemara.